Hello there and welcome to ClosetCRM. Let's talk about your workflow inside ClosetCRM. When a potential client fills out the contact form on your website, their information is automatically captured and sent to ClosetCRM. No matter how your contact form is set up, we can tailor our approach to fit your needs. Once submitted, a new project is created with the lead's name and source as the default project name. Just go to the Projects tab to see the new project created. The lead also appears in ClosetCRM under the Clients tab with all the details from the form pre-filled. You don't have to manually enter anything, it's all right here. If you wish to update the client information, you can do so by clicking the Edit Client button on the top right. Going back to the project details, on the left you can see quick details about the project. The stage dropdown shows that this project is currently a lead. You can easily change this stage as the project moves forward. At the Overview section, we bring together your quotes, work orders, invoices, and payments in one place. Also note that project stages can actually be tailored to fit your unique business process. You can also assign a salesperson to your project by clicking Edit Project at the top right and selecting the right team member from the dropdown. Click Update Project to save the changes and see the salesperson assigned the project details on the left. The Project Documents Hub is your secure repository for all relevant files, contracts, design drafts, warranties, and more. These files aren't visible to the client, making it easy to collaborate internally. There's no limit to the amount of files you can upload, but you can upload 10 at a time from your computer. You can also upload files via link or from Facebook, Instagram, or Google Drive. From the hub, you can also view these files individually or delete them. At the bottom of the project details on the left, you can find the New Event button, which takes you to the event creation page, similar to when you do this from the Schedule tab on the menu. Select the appropriate event type and subtype from the dropdown. Then enter your event title. You can also create service events like installations in the same way so they appear on your team's calendars. Next, select the date on the calendar icon or just manually type them in. Then choose the start and end time of the event from the dropdown. You can also click the All Day button if it's an all-day event. In the Meeting Owner field, select Who's in Charge. This is usually the main point of contact. Below that, notice we automatically populate the client's address if you've attached a client, but you can easily edit it. If it's an in-person meeting, confirm or change the address. If it's virtual, just toggle to virtual and add your meeting link in the location field. Lastly, you can choose to send an invite directly to the client and set up automatic reminders. When you're done, hit Save. Your new event will appear on the project page and your calendar. The client will then receive a professional-looking calendar invite to accept, decline, or view the details of the event. If you enable Send Invite, both the client and your team members, such as installers or designers, will automatically receive the calendar invite. As mentioned earlier, quotes can be created from the Overview section of the project page. You can also do this on the Quotes tab from the main menu. Input your issue date, then select the status of the quote and assign a team member in charge. Add your products or services by clicking the Add Line Item button. As you start typing in the name field, a drop-down of your existing catalog items appears. To update or expand this catalog, simply visit the Products/Services tab in the main menu. Then, of course, input the correct quantity of items. As you scroll down, you'll see an option to apply a discount to the quote, either as a percentage or a fixed dollar amount. Additionally, you can quickly add or remove taxes. Simply click on the tax field to open a drop-down of available tax rates. You can also manage these rates in the Manage Taxes tab in the main menu. Finally, you can add internal notes and upload any necessary files up to 30 megabytes. You can upload 10 at a time from your computer, or also pull files from links, Facebook, Instagram, or Google Drive. Once you've reviewed the details, click Save Quote, and voila, your first quote is ready. You can easily email the quote right from the quote details page. Before sending, you can add extra recipients, CC or BCC others, and edit the subject line or email body. You can also update the default look of the quote email as well as other email and text templates to better match your brand and communication style. You can opt to send a copy of the quote to your own email address too. Lastly, you can attach any last-minute files to ensure everything is complete before sending the email. Clicking the Add Files button will route you back to the quotes page so you can upload your files, then save the updates before hitting the email button again to finally send your quote. The client will then receive a clean, professional-looking email with a link to view the quote in the client portal. Hitting the Approve button, the client will see the legal text and a signature field where they can review and approve everything in one place. Once the quote is approved, the client can also download a PDF copy in the quote details. If, for example, a client gives approval verbally or over the phone, you or a teammate can also finalize it by clicking Approve in the top right corner and entering the relevant details along with the approver's name. Now that we have an approved quote, get ready to invoice the client soon. Did you know you can choose whether to display the project name on your client's quotes? Simply head to Settings, select Project Visibility, and toggle the option as needed. Do take note that this setting applies to all quotes in your account and not just for a single client, at least for now. Easily convert your quote into a deposit, final, or full amount invoice by selecting More from the Quote Details page. This automatically copies every line item, discount, tax, and file from the original quote into a new invoice. If you want to set the default percentage for deposit invoices, you can actually do so by going to Settings and selecting Deposit Settings. Simply enter your preferred rate, click Save Changes, and you're all set. Note that this rate will apply to all deposit invoices and not just to specific clients or projects. Also, from Settings, you can opt not to automatically copy items from your quotes to your invoices or work orders. Collecting payments in ClosetCRM is straightforward and hassle-free. Simply integrate Sublime Pay, our own payment platform, and manage all of your payment methods right from your portal. You can add credit cards or bank account details and select any of these methods when processing a payment. If you're planning to integrate a different payment platform into your portal, just let us know and we will look into making it possible for you. Otherwise, you can always just collect off-platform payments by choosing the Collect Off-Platform Payment option. Select the type of payment from the drop-down and input the payment details, including the amount, date of payment, reference number, and any additional notes. Inputting the full amount will automatically mark the invoice as paid. After reviewing all the details and making sure the Send Receipt option is enabled, click Save Payment to complete the process. The payment is now recorded and the invoice status updates accordingly. You'll see the payment reflected in the timeline, including the date, payment method, and the processor's email. A receipt is automatically sent to the client's email, and they can also access it anytime in their client portal. Also, if you have QuickBooks integration enabled, this payment will automatically be logged to your QuickBooks. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found the features and tips helpful in streamlining your workflow. If you'd like to learn more or see a personalized demo, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We look forward to helping you grow your business.